I'm going to go through questions 7 and 8 of X2, the practice exam, and they are related to convolution. So question 7 is very straightforward. We just compute a convolution between two matrices. And when we have a filter, the first thing to do is to flip the filter. So again, flipping the filter means go in the other direction. So this is, let me repeat what I had in class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Flipped version is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's not a transpose, and it's not kind of flipping top up down left right. It's just going in the other direction. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. So that's the flip version. And then what we'll do is convolve this thing with the original image, which means just put this on top of the centered at the first element on top of the matrix and do dot product. So dot product means just multiply each and add them up. So there are a few of these that are ones, so it makes convolution very easy. So the first element is just a times 1, everything else is 0. And also we're doing 0 padding, so like these things are assumed to be 0. But in any case, we get just 8. And then we move this around, we move it here. And I guess you can see the pattern is just -2 and 10. And if you move it to on top of the next row, we have a 1 on top here, 1 on top here. So for the first element it's still -4, but for the second one it's completely on top, and it's 1 times 8 and 1 times -3, so that will be a 5. And I think you can see the pattern. This is 1 times -2, 1 times -5, so it's -7. And let's get rid of all of these and then put it on top here. 1 and 1's -1, and this is -4, -8, -12, -3, you have 5, which is 2. So that's the convolved version. Okay, so the next one looks a bit more complicated, but we're only interested in one element, so it's still kind of okay. So let's do the convolution. So basically put this, the flip version of this, on top of that. So 1 2 1 0 0 0 -1 -2 -1 excuse me. And then if we put it right on top, we get 8 -8 -1, so it's -1 plus -10 minus plus 10 -5. So -1 -5, that's equal to -6. So that's our x gradient. And y gradient, you do the same thing, except for you flip this. And put it on top here. So we do the same thing again. It's just 8 -4. So it's 4 plus 10. So it's 14. Plus 1, 16. So 17 minus 5. So it's 12. I may have computed some of these incorrectly, but the idea is the same. So we have dx dy, and the question is asking about the gradient magnitude, so it's just square root of dx squared plus dy squared. So it's just square root of -6 squared plus 26 squared.